Welcome to the DiamondHand Racing Series, or as we like to call it here on the moon, DRS. I'm Buck Birch, and joining me this year in the booth is Ryder Creed. Before we let these monkeys, apes fly down the track here at Corsa Luna, let's take a look at the tournament rules that will govern the DRS. Ryder?
Thanks, Buck. 64 of the moon's bravest apes will be putting their lives and, may I add, own cars on the line to settle once and for all which ape will take home all the bananas and be crowned top simian here on the moon.
I do love me some bananas.
They are tasty, Buck. The DRS will consist of 8 troops of 8 racing space apes and their cars. For the first round of action, each troop will be deciding which 2 apes will represent them in the DRS Lunar Championship Tournament. The troops will be divided into 2 groups, Group A and Group B. Each group will race 4 heats in a mini shootout tournament format, with each ape rotating up 1 grid spot per heat. The pole sitter moves to the back of the grid.
That sounds complicated.
It's really not fun. Bananas are awarded for each heat.
Have you ever had bananas, Foster?
5 bananas for a first place finish, 3 for a second, 2 for third, and 1 banana for fourth. 0 bananas are given to apes that do not finish.
You cook the bananas in butter, brown sugar, here comes my favorite part, dark rum.
If no apes finish a heat, it's declared a monkey's uncle and we have a restart. At the end of the 4 heats, a bonus banana is awarded to the ape with the fastest overall time in the group. The top 2 apes with the most bananas advance to the troop finals, and bananas are reset to 0.
Banana liqueur, and then you light it on fire.
The troop finals are run in the same heat format, with the top 2 from Group A meeting the top 2 from Group B. The winner is declared the troop's champion and earns the number 1 driver spot in the troop. The second place ape is the number 2 troop driver.
Then you dump that all over vanilla ice cream. I'm telling you, Ryder, it's a real treat. Hey, can we get some bananas, Foster, in here?
After all 8 troops go through this process, the DRS Lunar Championship Tournament begins.
It's a simple question, really. Can I, Buck Birch, get some bananas, Foster, in here? Anyone?
Following the same 4-heat format, the drivers are seated into groups A through D based on their troop and driver position. During this first round, and first round only, the number 1 drivers from each troop receive 1 bonus banana for being their troop's champion. Scoring is the same 5-3-2-1 banana format as before, with a bonus banana again being awarded to the fastest time in each group. The top 2 drivers from each group move on to the next round. We rinse and repeat this process until only 1 driver remains and is crowned the DRS Lunar Drivers Champion. Troops are awarded bananas for their finishes as well. These bananas accumulate over the course of the tournament to decide the overall DRS Lunar Troop Champion.
Oh, all this banana talk is making me hungry, Ryder.
We're about done, Buck. It's your turn.
Already? Where are we? Okay, here we go. Okay. Ready?
Yes, go ahead.
Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time here at the DRS.